Welcome to Ito Analytics, the leading platform for providing volatility data and option analytics. This is Chapter 8 of Option Trading Tutorial Series. We will talk about call spread and put spread in this chapter. Call spread is constructed by buying a lower strike call and selling a higher strike call at the same time. The idea is to buy a normal call option, but selling a higher strike call to reduce the overall premium. Similar to buying call spread is a way to express bullish view on underlying as call spread price goes up when underlying spot goes up. This is the payoff diagram of a 100%, 120% call spread, meaning buying a 100% call and selling a 120% call. Below 120%, the payoff is exactly like a call, but above 120%, the payoff is flattened. This is because the short 120% call starts to become in the money. Thus, the upside of 100% call is offset by the upside of short of 120% call. Call spread is very similar to an outright call, but with a few key differences. Call spread is cheaper, but the max payoff is capped. Call is more expensive, but the max payoff is uncapped. For example, for a 100%, 120% call spread, the premium could be like 4%, and the max payoff is the difference between higher strike and lower strike, which is 20%. For a 100% call, the premium is higher than the 100%, 120% call spread, but the upside payoff is uncapped. When we look at call spread, the main feature that we need to pay attention to is the premium to payout ratio. For example, for a 100%, 120% call spread with premium 4%, the max payoff is 20%. In this case, call spread buyers risk 4% premium to get max payout of 20%. The payout ratio is 1 to 5. This ratio is the key metric to determine if we want to trade the call spread. When it comes to trading, call spread buyers pay daily theta to have the upside exposure. The advantage is that call spread buyers only have upside gain, but no downside payoff at maturity. The disadvantage is that call spread buyers can lose all the premium paid at beginning if the call spread expires out of the money. On the other hand, call spread sellers receive daily theta to underwrite the upside potential gain to call spread buyers. Selling call spread is a positive carry trade as seller receive daily theta. The drawback is that the potential maximum loss could be as large as multiple times of option premium. The game plan for call spread buyers is very similar to call buyers. After buying the call spread, buyer's clock is ticking because of paying daily theta. Buyers can choose to unwind the call spread when underlying goes up because call spread premium increases. One consideration here is to look at premium compared to max payout. If call spread premium is getting to a reasonable portion of max payout, it would be a good time to unwind. Otherwise, call spread buyers can choose to sit with the call spread until the maturity. Buyers will make money if spot is higher than lower call strike by at least the premium amount. But remember that max payoff is capped at the difference between upper call strike and lower call strike. The game plan for call spread sellers is just to sit with the call spread until the maturity. If the call spread expires out of the money, option sellers pocket the entire premium. If the call spread expires in the money, then the profit and loss would be premium received minus the call spread payoff, which is spot minus lower call strike, and the option payoff is capped by difference between upper call strike and lower call strike. As an example, if a trader buys in 1 month $110 call spread on Apple with premium $2, Apple is at $100 now. If Apple goes up to $105 after 5 days with call spread premium increases to $4, then trader can choose to unwind the call spread and pocket the profit of $4 unwind price minus $2 of initial premium, which is $2. Otherwise, trader can choose to sit with the call spread until the maturity. If Apple goes up to $120, which is higher than the higher call strike, then the call spread payoff will simply be the difference between higher call strike and lower call strike, which is $10. The profit of the trader will then be $10 of call spread payoff minus initial premium of $2, which is $8. Next, we will talk about put spread. Put spread is constructed by buying a higher strike put and selling a lower strike put at the same time. Idea is to sell a more out of the money put to reduce the cost of buying a put. Put spread is a way to express bearish view because put spread price increases when underlying goes lower. This is the payoff diagram of a 100%, 80% put spread, meaning buying a 100% put and selling an 80% put. For spot above 80%, the payoff is exactly the same as a 100% put, but the payoff is flattened when spot is lower than 80%. This is because the lower strike call starts to be in the money and the upside payoff of 100% put is offset by the upside payoff of 80% put. Put spread is similar to an outright put, but with a few differences. Put spread is cheaper compared to a put, but the payoff is capped. Outright put is more expensive, but upside payoff is uncapped. For a 100%, 80% put spread, premium could be like 4%, and payoff is capped by the differences between higher strike and lower strike, which is 20%. For an outright 100% put, the premium could be more expensive, like 7%, but the payoff is uncapped. Similar to call spread, the key metric of put spread that traders need to look at is the payout ratio. For example, for a 100%, 80% put spread, we assume the premium is 4%. The max payout of this put spread is difference between higher strike and lower strike, which is 20%. Then the premium to max payout ratio is 1 to 5, meaning traders risk $1 premium to get a max potential gain of $5. For actual trading, put spread buyers pay daily theta to have the upside exposure when underlying goes down. The advantage is that put spread buyers only have upside gain but no downside payoff at maturity. The disadvantage is that put spread buyers can lose all the premium paid at beginning if the put spread expires out of the money. On the other hand, put spread sellers receive daily theta to underwrite the upside potential gain to buyers. Selling put spread is a positive carry trade as seller receive daily theta. The drawback is that the potential maximum loss could be as large as multiple times of option premium. Put spread buyers pay daily theta. It is reasonable to unwind the put spread earlier, when underlying goes lower. Because put spread goes up when underlying moving lower. Otherwise, put spread buyers can choose to sit with the put spread until the maturity. Put spread buyers make profit when spot is lower than higher put strike by at least the premium amount. But remember that the max payoff is capped by difference between higher strike and lower strike. The game plan for put spread sellers is simply to sit with the options until maturity. If the put spread expires out of the money, then put spread sellers pocket all the premium. If the put spread expires in the money, the profit and loss will be the premium received minus the put spread payoff, which is the difference between higher put strike and spot. And again, the payoff is capped by higher put strike minus lower put strike. This is an illustrative example of trading put spread. Assume a trader buys in 1 month, $190 put spread on Apple with premium $2. Apple is at $100 now. Apple goes down to $95 in 5 days and put spread goes up to $4. Trader can choose to unwind the put spread and the profit will be $2. Otherwise, trader can choose to sit with the option until maturity. If Apple goes down to $80 after 1 month, the payoff of put spread will be just the difference between higher and lower strike, which is $10. This is because Apple is lower than the lower put strike of $90. Therefore, the profit for the trader will be $10 of option payoff minus $2 of initial premium. We talk about call spread and put spread in this chapter. Call spread is a way to express bullish view and put spread is a way to express bearish view. Call spread and put spread are similar to call and put but with capped upside payoff and lower premium. The key thing to look at when trading call spread and put spread is the ratio of premium versus max payoff. This is the end of chapter 8. Like, subscribe, and visit Ito Analytics website for option-related materials.